Now, finally for number C. Number C asks, using the Lorentz series you found in part B to find the value of f prime to the negative 1 over 3. So using the Lorentz series in part B to find f prime negative 1 over 3, I put the series into the a times r to the power n format. Now I use this function right here since it would be much more convenient for what we're trying to do, and that's actually equal to this. All I did was take out a 2, which made it 2 to the power of n, and then made 2x to the power of n. So it's equal. And so plugging negative 1 over 3 into this, I get 2 times 2 parentheses negative 1 over 3 parentheses to the power of n, and that multiplies out to 2 times negative 2 over 3 to the power of n. Now putting it into this format, 2 is equal to a, then there's 1 minus negative 2 over 3, which is equal to 2 over 1 plus 2 over 3, and then you just do that out. 2 over 5 over 3 is equal to 2 times 3 over 5, and then as your final answer you get 6 over 5, and that is for C.